Welcome to Colourblocks world.
Bloopers Shortie 2. Disrupted by a thunderstorm.
Play again.
It's time for... What is that?
Fact. There are gray skies. And it looks like there might be a thunderstorm, so cut!
Don't cut!
Oh, right. Sorry, everyone. I didn't mean to cut.
Why is it a thunderstorm? Because I did that!
Grey.
And it was Gray who did that. Is it a thunderstorm? Cut. Try again.
It's...
Thunderstorm, what are you doing here? Cut.
Welcome to Colourblocks world.
Bloopers Shortie 2. Disrupted by a thunderstorm. It's lime time. Time for lime.
I am fresh. Yes, I am bright.
I'm
Well
always
done.
in the
We've
lime.
coloured in
Huh?
all of this
What is that?
Colourblocks
Fact. There are grey skies and there might be a thunderstorm. Cut.
Charlie, who did the thunderstorm? It was me, Gray. Is it a thunderstorm? Cut. It's lime time. Time for
I am fresh.
thunderstorm.
Yes,
What are you
I
doing
am
here?
bright.
Cut.